Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to minimize consuming of tokens and APIs from the cloud itself in very easy step, and it is like life hack for that. So all what you need to do guys, which is after getting a lot of conversation and so on, you have it in your cloud. So after that, all what you need to do, which is getting all the knowledge, like request all the knowledge, get it into MD file named Claude. So after doing that, guys, it's gonna be generating a file with MD extension. After that, you will go for the project section, press it, and then go for the new project. Call it Claude or something. Ask your project Claude minimize or something like that. After that, it's gonna be creating project, and here you're gonna be uploading your MD file that you're already getting. So after that is gonna be anything that you need to mention or to add based on that MD file is gonna be great enough. And after using that, you can reuse it once again to update your MD file with the latest or the last updates you are working on, and once again upload it once again the file in the new project to minimize tokens consuming on your cloud. I hope you like the video. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. It's really mean to us. And enjoy.